Hi. My name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another free certification as well as a placement offer from Capgemini. So this is like an off-campus recruitment and a certification from Capgemini. So it is really very good to go with. So if you are a fresher or if you are a college student, or you might be from BTech or BBA or BCA or BSc or MTech, or you are a fresher or you are experienced, all of you are eligible for this. You can get a free participation certificate from Capgemini as well as a placement offer as well as a winner certificate and prize money from Capgemini Tech Challenge 2020. So let us see more details about this soon. Before that, I make these videos on off-campus recruitments, free certificates and courses, scholarships, internships, etc. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos, and if you like them, do subscribe, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's get started. So if you are not at all interested in watching this video, click the link in the description box below. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see about the details at a glance. I have written a simple words about this contest. So eligible are students, experienced as well as freshers. So benefits of participation: you will get a prize money if you win, and you will get a free certificate for participation as well as winner certificates, and you will also get a job offer not just for one or two but for most of the people. And how to apply: in order to apply for this, just click this apply now button. You will be redirected to my post on LinkedIn. You can see this is my post, and you can see here. And in order to apply for this, you just need to click on this image. Once you click this image, you will be redirected to this page. Now I have opened campus challenge. So if you are a student, you can register for this campus challenge. Just here you can see the details about this campus here. So talking about the rounds in this, the first one is MCQ, which is of 30 minutes duration, and you can enroll for this till 30th November. Okay, till 30th November you can apply for this, and you will see register now if you have not logged into your account. As I have already logged into this, I have got this like I would like to participate. You will see register now button. Just click on that. This will ask for your basic details and click sign up. That's how you will be registering for this. So in this round you have two attempts to do this. Basically it is of MCQs and online test, and you can do it in two attempts. And next the round is level 2, which is like coding round, and you will be given 3 hours of duration for this. Suppose this round you have level 3. So apart from level 3, whether you win in this round 2 or not, most of those who qualify for this round at least, so out of if you get at least 40 marks in this round, you'll be taken for another round which is not this one. Apart from level 3, there is another round. They will like top 5 people will be selected for this round, and the remaining who qualify like between 40 marks to and not in top 5, these people will be taken for another round. So do not worry whether you will be in the top 5 or not in this round. You still have another opportunity. So they might take consider that for placements or anything else that will be decided by the Capgemini. So apart from this, I recommend you to participate for this. So the first round is simple, second round is simple, and third round will be the top 5 participants from level 2. So you can read about the details and all about this challenge, and I recommend you to apply for this, and you can see everything about this. Also talking about the participation certificate. So for this campus challenge, you will see participation certificate, certificate of participation for everyone whoever participates in round 1, and top 5 certificates for people who wins it, and runner up for the rest. And anything I have applied for this like campus challenge as well as data analytics as well as Salesforce as well as Java full stack. There are a lot of opportunities available if you wanted to apply. Here you can see this contest details, campus challenge, terms and conditions, refer now, etc. So in this contest details, you can see these are all the contests available. Okay, you can take anything for this. Apart from that, for college students, you can go for this campus challenge. Okay, so if you are a fresher or an experienced, you have to go for contest details and apply. And if you are a college student, you can go for campus challenge. So that is all about this. If you think this can help you, I recommend you to share this video with your friends. Thank you.